Alright guys, quick video on how to remove the center console lid or armrest in your 2007 to 2012 Toyota Camry. Super simple, just going to need a really thin screwdriver or interior removal tool. You're going to want to pry it between the rear plastic piece and the side plastic piece on either the driver or passenger side. Slowly wedge that in, pull it towards you. These pieces will start to separate. You can start to grab it with your hand. See the pieces will get bigger all around, and the back piece will just simply pop right off. Once you've done that, you want to go grab your screwdriver. Alright, once you have that back plastic piece cover off, there are 4 screws, one up here, one right here, and then mirrored on the other side. So that is a Phillip head driver you're going to want to use. Go. It is off, and you can replace it if that is what your goal was to do in the first place. I do sell these in my store if you want to get them. The latches often break on these, and you can actually replace the latch by itself, which is just these 2 Phillips head screwdrivers here. Use a screwdriver to get it off. You can buy these also on eBay as well. I'll link one to that. The other common problem with these is the vinyl tends to break down the middle, and so you'd have to buy a whole replacement piece or reupholster it yourself, which is not the most impossible thing to do, but definitely easier just to replace it. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.